welcome to a new video. Welcome to a new video. Hold on, brothers. Because the drifter came for 2 weeks to work on the Z, 2 full weeks of breakfast, lunch and dinner working on the Z4. So let's get to it. Let's start. It's early as you can see, and well, I'm excited. I have a list because I bought a lot of things for it. I bought Chinese parts. I bought expensive parts like the handbrake. I bought a radiator because the other one broke down. Don't ask me why. In the video where I show you the radiator, I'll show it to you. We're going all out with this. Now it has some sauce. Check it out. We already removed the gold from the rims. Juanito helped me out there. Thanks, Juanito, for sticking it on. I mean, the rims are already pretty neglected, but at least now they don't look all messed up because of the gold. So now the car looks full black, which we also like. It looks really good. But anyway, let's get started. I really don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. You'll see in the title what we're going to do, but right now, I don't know what I'm going to do. I have a list of everything I need to do to the Z, and I'm going to read it and see what's most convenient. But we're gonna get started. We're gonna go hard on it. I hope that in these 2 weeks, there will be a drastic change in the Z4. So let's go. I've already decided what the first thing I'm going to do is. The very first thing I'm going to do. First thing I already did was set up this canopy to put it over there and literally live under this shade so I can work hard on it. And speaking of canopies, this canopy is falling apart. Actually, this one came from the United States. I don't know if someone hit it or something fell on it, but it's got a hole here. I mean, it's torn, but the bad thing is that the system is broken. This works like a hinge. Notice the tarp sagging? But this part, well, it shouldn't be like this. This part is broken, literally broken. If you look, it's like, yeah, it's loose. That's the reality. It's broken. In a few words, it's broken. So what I'm going to do is order this part, which still hasn't arrived yet. I hope it gets here in the next few days. Is Cavazos going to bring it? I want to take it apart so I can bring the canvas to the upholsterer and have him patch it discreetly, not make a new one. Change it, I don't know if this piece or make a new one, because in the end this piece is basically the whole tone. So honestly, I'm coming up with some crazy ideas. I don't know if they can be done, but we're considering them. I want to take him the tarp and I want to take the opportunity to fix this that's broken. So I'm going to take it apart, guys. I'm going to disassemble it. I'm going to take off the roof. And I think that all the videos you see, starting from this one for the next 2 weeks, I'll be uploading videos. It'll be without the roof since everything will be taken apart. So let's begin dismantling it, as you can see. By the way, I want to give a special thanks to my dad. He washed the engine for me. Look how good it turned out. You can see the cap there. But anyway, yeah, he gave it a good cleaning and left it looking really fresh. From what I understand, first you need to move or remove the seats and loosen something back here. Don't ask me what. We might as well frame it, right? What do you think? We removed the little plastic pieces. What a big job, guys. Let's go. My dad said it was the only hand nearby, so I removed all the screws. Now I'm trying to take it out. So I think it's going to come out. I literally have it now. On that side, it's pretty much out already, but it's really heavy, and on the other side, it's kind of stuck. So I'm going to try to take it out. It's out now already. It's out, and now how am I going to hold it? Okay, I feel like there's something we need. No. Weight loss, bro, what?
didn't wrinkle you?
Well, I don't know if it fits like that. What? Take off the tarp. There aren't any screws left. But will it fit like this?
Don't you think it will go in like that along the whole rail? Will it come out like that?
Honestly, it's well made, right? Yeah, but it's complicated.
Do you think they charged you 3,000 pesos per screw?
No.
Just that? Is it worth every penny?
It's done, brothers. I finally managed to remove both pieces. Wow, look at all these tiny screws. Locks. No, rivets. Hey, I want to take this chance to tell you that my mom bought this little truck new. It's used, not new, but it's new to us. I just want to see how it is. I'll take advantage of always having Carly with me and see how it goes. Let's plug it in. Obviously, we access the settings, connect Carly, let it do its job. Connected scanning. It asks us to turn on spaceship mode. Let's see how it is. Check issues. Okay, it already has 14. Interesting, huh? I didn't expect that. It's brand new. Full ABS, parking assistant, instrument cluster, WOW, interesting sound system. The best part is we have the smart mechanic guide.
Check it out. We have...
I like that Kali provides a guide explaining the problems. It shows you the problems and errors so you can look them up. Cause of the error, possible causes, symptoms of a control system of tires, etc.
And one of the reasons I wanted to try it on this truck is because it has options.
You couldn't do it in the Maserati. But in many brands, many cars, yes, like this one, there are many brands where you can do it. We can set up several little things. We can, I don't know, things like the climate settings. Honestly, I had never gone in here before, but let's see, let's check this out. Something cool is that Kali makes a backup. So if you do something you shouldn't while coding, or something you didn't like or whatever, you have the backup there. Please take a look at the number of things you can change. And this is just in one area. You can change all this. That's wild. I'm interested in this one because my mom, she hates it. It stalls when you stop. The truck shuts off, so she always presses the engine button every time she gets in. Can we disable it from here? Automatic engine start, stop off. Let's go, it's off. Coding, all right, coding. This works just so you can see. It really is amazing. I can't believe you can take that off because there are things that are highly anticipated and that's one of them. I think that on and off system works really well in developed countries like the United States. But here in Mexico, where you're stuck in traffic, people cut you off, there are speed bumps, potholes, everything is pretty uncomfortable. So if we can turn off that system, wow, that would be awesome. Another thing I love is that if you're always tinkering with it like I am, you can see the data in real time, and that really works. Let's see the intake air temperature. That's something I'm interested in, 32 degrees Celsius. Look, how curious, how crazy, how far technology has come, that you can literally do these kinds of things from your phone now. From the Carly app, you connect the scanner and you can modify the startup screen. You can make the needle move when you turn it on or turn off the system you don't like. There you have it, brothers. I don't recommend you do this at home. It was hard for me to take it out, and I can't imagine putting it back in. This part is broken. The inside and this piece are both broken. Here goes the screw. Actually, I have it right here. Here I have the screw. And look, that little tab right there is the one that's broken. And it's broken here. It's also broken here. It's really broken here. So yeah, I had to take it apart. I'm going to have to buy this part, that aluminum one. I think I can weld it. And that, well, take it to the upholsterer, Pinas with Virusha. It's going to be tough. I'm leaning toward buying it a hard top, but we're going to try to make it look cool. I have a good idea for the little top. Let's see if it can be done. And well, that's it. I don't love it. Honestly, I don't really like the hard top. It looks weird and like an egg, so I'll try to save it and see how it turns out. Let's keep going. The squad arrived. Guade brought his monster, and Cabazo started working on it.
What is he doing, dude? Right. I forgot the Empire that finishes reinstalling the steering.
Yeah, I have a problem. I took out the steering because it was leaking oil, and I thought I'd fix it quickly, but no.
I just want to know where we are in the video. Is it about the roof? It's already here.
What do you think about the roof?
He already arrived at Querna and Zeta.
Kid to teach.
Details. But what's the status?
The first thing I did was take off the canopy because I said, is that it? Yeah, dude.
Hey, but then the fabric? What, dude?
Is it torn?
Oh, I thought it was turning rotten or something.
Hey, doesn't sewing it work?
Would you like it with a patch?
No, seriously, I'm making it red. I want the Taudo red.
Like the seats or what?
What did it? Very R8, right?
He didn't like it. Cabazo didn't either. And I don't love it.
The red tone. Both of you, Ali.
Cabazo doesn't care about my opinion. He loves it. Yeah, dude.
If you say red, I say black, he'll say blue.
It's green, man. What do you think? Doesn't it look cool?
Red, honestly, black? I would say to myself, hey, but why?
Why is it black? Well, black.
Dude, that's why everything is black. I mean, it looks cooler.
No.
But the car won't stay black. Good point.
But neither.
It's not going to be red either, man.
Why isn't it going to stay black? Aren't you going to wrap it? Aren't you going to put
some stickers or something like that on it?
Oh, well, yes.
He's going to give it live, right?
No red or red caliper from this guy.
There's a maroon red, uh-huh.
Ugly, man. That's how it is. There's a 911 like that, too.
Ugly, ugly. It's a maroon red, man. Horrible.
This one. And do you see the red, bro? You don't like that red?
No, not if it was on a Porsche.
Let me see it.
Let me see it assembled. Let me see it assembled. We don't know the final color. That color is awesome. Give it your all, man. Look, if it were in a,
Enough, man. I mean, the problem is my car. Yeah. I get it. I think what he doesn't like is your car. What he doesn't like is that it's not a 911.
Stop.
To begin with, I would put it in hardtop. To begin with, no. You're already.
We're almost done. To start, I'd buy another car, as Cabazo would say. Go ahead.
Cleaning already?
Brothers, now what I'm doing is messing it up. I'm messing it up because every time I get involved in something, I get stuck and leave it worse.
Obviously, with the intention and the process of making it better, that's what I'm doing right now.
I hadn't told you this before, but my idea is to eventually leave the bay completely clean so that nothing is visible except the engine. So I had to remove a cable for some reason, and then I started taking everything apart to leave it clean. So I've spent hours doing things I shouldn't be doing because they're taking up my time. There was a little cable here that came out through here, the one for the lights. So what I did was run it behind the fender. It was a mess. I had to take it out, stick my hand in. It goes down and comes out here. Here you can see that there are two different types of tape. This one is the original from the electric one. I had to extend a piece so it would reach the headlight on this side, so this is turning into a mess. On this side, the computer was set up here, the equalizer, and it was full of cables going to that ground and over there. So right now what I'm doing is I'm going to figure out a way to move the computer over here inside the booth and have the computer inside. All engine cables will go that way, so only necessary cables will be visible. Some cables must be seen, of course, but so that they're facing that way. And that all of this is clean, and that all of this is clean. It's going to look beautiful, but it's a job I shouldn't be doing right now. Well, I started it, so now I have to finish, and it'll turn out great.
later, obviously in the future.
This is the clutch booster, this is the ABS system for the brakes, but the car doesn't have ABS anymore. So I'm going to remove that box. Eventually I want to take this off and just leave the clutch one. And I want the whole engine bay to look clean, but well, that's for the future, for now. The main thing is that it works, but the car still doesn't. And I already want to start doing things to it that I shouldn't, but anyway, let's keep going and hope it turns out nice, at least for now, as much as I can. I've already been doing this for 2 days, but look guys, it's done. Don't worry about the inside for now. I'll show it to you soon, but from the outside, there are no visible cables. Brothers, now the problem is over here. Now the problem is on this side. This part is tough because you have to work upside down and it's awful, but we'll finish it. Almost done. It's nearly finished on this side. Those cables, the red and the white ones, I have to move them over there.
And these, I think these are for the turn signals. So these have to go over here for this turn signal. And then put the cluster back in and then see how we do it. I had to cut the harness, but we're putting it back together now the way it should be. Here we also need to connect this, join this, and put the computer in. I want to put it here, not at the feet, but a little higher, like there. I already cut the carpet here because I want to put it right in that rectangle.
You won't see anything, but if you look in, you'll see the nice looking black computer. And I want to hide the cables here. There's plenty of space, so that's what we're doing. It's taking longer than I expected. I really hope, with a lot of faith, that I didn't put the cable in wrong, because if I did, I have no idea which one it would be, but I'm not thinking about that. I even took pictures of all the ones where the colors didn't match, so I could put them back exactly the same. Let's see if it works. The small cables I cut are now perfectly joined. I'm going to put their little tape on, and then we'll move on to the rest. I want to paint the whole cabin, but well, that'll be later on. If I can say one thing is turning out spectacular, here's the computer and fuse box. Oh man. And that's how it will look. Obviously without all those wires, but what a difference, right? All the wires are inside the dashboard. Look, I took advantage of a little screw we had there to put that right next to the fuses and next to the computer. Oh, that's as organized as it gets. Just put the wires in their place and that's it. Ugh, I'm dead. Guys, it's the moment of truth. My hands are all beat up. I already had to take off my engagement ring because my finger is swollen, but anyway, it's time. In theory, everything is connected and orderly. The only thing I did was move some cables out of place. Let's connect it and see if that's true. Oh, I'm scared. Come on, switch. Oh, Alonso. Does it sound like everything is okay on the radio? Let's do it. Obviously, in the future, the idea is, well, to cover that up. Here I want to put a sheet like this, completely straight, remove the booster, remove the ABS system, straight sheet, and have it look like that.
All flat.
And the big engine. I've already pictured it. Guys, you'll see it when it's finished and you'll say, all right, Drifter. But anyway, that's how we finished today's video. I hope you liked the roof. I'm going to get it fixed. We were talking with Arturo, who's a designer, and Guate, who's also a designer. We were throwing around ideas, and we have something interesting planned for that roof. So stay tuned, because it could be something weird, something new, something different, and I'm really excited about it. So, well, that's it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.